What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to reset your Ninebot MAX G30 right now in 2026. So following this, within 1 minute you can remove all the errors and fix many issues on your scooter. So how to do it? It's actually very simple. First of all, using your left hand, you need to press the brake, fully press it, plus at the same time press the throttle button and press and hold the power button. Hold until you will see this 10 indicator, so hold it like until 5 times around and just press it up, so then your scooter will be resetted, then you can restart to be sure that everything's going smoothly. The second method is when it's actually active, just press and hold again the brake and throttle button, like acceleration button itself, turn it off and just turn it on and don't press the power button. So as you see, some sound is coming out of it. 14 errors 3 times should show. And then, okay, now your scooter will be fully resetted and should erase all the issues.